everyone. Today I'm creating a content for YouTube and Book Tales by Pritha nearly after 1.5 months because I was a bit angry with myself and this platform called YouTube because my content, the last few content that I had made for YouTube were not getting any views at all. I don't know the reason why, and so I thought let me take a break for some time from YouTube. Also at the same time I had work pressure as well as I had a marriage of my cousin, so I couldn't concentrate on creating content. Neither was I reading in these times. So if you ask me what I have read in 2021, my answer is a big zero. So today I thought of creating a content on the eve of Valentine's Day, 14th February, and today it is 12th of February when I am shooting this particular video. In today's video, I thought to talk about 6 books which are based on the theme or genre romance and which I want to buy and read, and because these are very popular books and but I have not read it, and so I thought why not make a content on this particular topic. So I will begin today's video, but before that, please subscribe my channel Book Tales by Pritha. Please do watch my videos and please write your feedback in the comment section, because that is the only way which can increase the morale of small content creator like us, because we give a lot of effort to create one particular content. I know people who have got camera person, they hire studios to create content, but that is not possible for everybody. We do content via mobile phone in our own home, and everything that we do to create a content is done by us. So it is only your support that can motivate small content creator like me. Also, let me tell you, from this YouTube platform till date I have not earned a single penny. So you can understand that not only time, we also spend our dedication to create a content, because it is mere for the love of the books and other things that I want to say. I have created this channel on YouTube, and I want you all to be a part of my this YouTube family. So please do subscribe and do hit the like button if you like this particular content. Now without further ado, let's begin today's video. Hello and welcome to another new episode by Book Tales by Pritha. As I said, in today's video I will talk about 6 books that I want to buy, read, and also want to recommend in this particular video, because these are all popular books. I have not read these books, but these are very famous books, and so I thought that if you are interested in the genre called romance, then do check out this particular video of mine for the recommendation. Now let me talk about the first book. The first book is originally written in Bangla language, but it is a very popular book of Bengali literature by Tagore, and it has an English adaptation as well. Obviously I will read the English adaptation because I had Hindi as my second language and Bengali was my third language, so I always prefer reading books in English. The book in question is Sheshir Kobita by Rabindranath Tagore. Sheshir Kobita in English means the last poem. This particular novel is set in Bengal during 1920s. It is the story of Amit Ray and Labonno. Amit is a barrister who has studied in Oxford, now has come back to Kolkata. On his trip to Shillong, he meets with an accident, and then over there he meets a governess by the name Labonno. Slowly but gradually, love blossoms between Amit and Labonno. Remember, the time period when the story is set in is 1920s. So Amit and Labonno used to express their love for each other through letters. In these letters, they used to talk about literature, and the letters were mostly written in poetic format. Amit and Lavanya, in the course of time, do not get married to each other, and both of them have separate spouses. Now, what will happen to Amit and Lavanya's love in the end? To just like you, I also don't know. So I do have a long wish to read the English adaptation of this particular book, Shishir Kobita, which is the last poem. And also, for this particular reason, on the theme of romance, I thought of talking about Shishir Kobita by the next book that I would like to talk is Postscript by Cecilia Ahern. It is the sequel to this popular book, P.S. I Love You. I bought this book back when I was doing my master's because it had my initial PS. But let me tell you, I read the book, but I liked the movie even more. If you have seen the movie or you have read the book, which one did you like more? Do mention in the comment section. Now, let me tell you something about Postscript, which I have read in the blurb. Now, Holly has now moved forward in her life. It's been 7 years since Holly's husband, Gary, has died. 6 years when she read the last letter which Gary had written to her about moving forward in life. Today, she has a life of her own. All of a sudden, she is invited by a group who call themselves P.S. I Love You Club. But when she joins this particular group, which has been inspired by Gary's letter, she, in some way or the other, comes to a situation where she had to face things which were similar to the point of time when she had lost her husband. What will Holly do? To find out, just like you, I have to read the book. So, and obviously this book, P.S. I Love You, is one of my all-time favorite. So definitely I'm looking forward to read Postscript by Cecilia Ahern. And love loss, this is one of the very emotional aspects of love, you can see. And since I truly like that particular book, and I think I read it about 10 years back, if not wrong, and till now I'm talking about this book, so you can understand the impact the book and the movie had on me. And now after so many years, when the sequel has come out, definitely I'm looking forward to read next book that I want to read, I want to buy, is Landline by Rainbow Rowell. In this particular book, we find 37 years old Georgie is able to call 22-year-old Georgie through a landline in which she used to talk to her now husband, then boyfriend. I only know this thing about this particular book, and also the fact that the author has said that Georgie's character is loosely based on her own character, because Georgie is extremely career driven woman who lives with her stay-at-home husband. So the introduction was like a trigger which is in my mind, and for a long time I'm looking forward to read this particular book, Landline by Rainbow Rowell. I'm just checking out if the prices are down. I'll certainly buy this book and get a copy for myself, and then only I'll read it. The next book that I will talk over here is a very popular book. I think I'm the only one who has not read it. The book in question is Time Traveler's Wife. Time Traveler's Wife talks about a couple called Henry and Claire, and how time is reflected in this couple's relationship, their marriage, as the story unfolds through a time travel, because Henry suffers from a rare genetic disorder. Henry and Claire have familiar goals. They want to have a good life, have friends, have children. But how this sort of time travel in or over Henry will impact this couple's relationship. I've heard that a movie adaptation on Time Traveler's Wife has been already made, but neither have I seen the movie. And I'm looking forward to read the book first and then maybe I will check out the movie. What do you say? If you have read Time Traveler's Wife or any of the books that I'm mentioning in this particular video of mine, do mention in the comments below. Book that I will like to talk over here. I have talked about this particular book in many of my previous video. The book in question is Zen, the Art of Simple Living. Now, if you have watched my channel, you will know that I have already read this particular book. It is an amazing book. But I don't have a physical copy of the book. I want to own a physical copy of this particular book for a very, very long time. Yes, the book is very pricey. And so I'm just checking out when the price will be correct. I will definitely get for myself a copy of this particular book, Zen, the Art of Living Simple Life. You know what? You will now question why I am referring about a book like this in this particular video. You know, I read this book last year when the lockdown had been in India for about 2 months, and we were clueless where we were heading towards, and there were many things that were going in the brain. So at that particular point of time, I picked the e-version of this particular book. Now, this book is divided into 4 main segments. Also, this book talks about self-love, about how you can be more compassionate, and self-love is also, I believe, a kind of romance. So I thought of mentioning this particular book in this video, and definitely when I get a copy of this book, I will surely make a video on that particular book, because I think a book like Zen should be read by every adult individual. It teaches you many things. First and foremost, it teaches you to be compassionate. Second, it teaches you about self-love. Also, it helps to make your mind more calm, more peaceful. And if you want me to make a recommendation on these sort of books which can help you to make your mind calm in times of turmoil, then do mention. Then I will certainly make a content on that particular topic, because that is one of the topics that I was reading a lot last year, and I'm looking forward to make a content on that topic. But time, and I don't know whether people will like it or not. So if you want me to make a content on such books, then do mention in the comment section. The last book that I will talk in this particular video of mine is a book that I have a copy of, but I have not read it yet. The book is very popular. The film is even more popular. And the author, I tell you, I love her writing. After I had read her non-fiction, The Big Magic. I'm sure by now you will understand which book I'm talking about. The book in question is Eat, Pray, Love by Elizabeth Gilbert. Eat, Pray, Love, in one simple line, talks about finding your inner self. That can be the one-line synopsis of this book. Yes, I have not read it, but I have become a fan of Elizabeth Gilbert after reading this particular book called Big Magic, and I am looking forward to read this book since December last year, but till now I have not found my time. Now let me talk in what is written in the blurb of this particular book. Elizabeth Gilbert is in her 30s, settled in a large house with a husband who wants to start a family. But she doesn't want any of it. A bitter divorce at a rebound fling later, Elizabeth emerges battered yet determined to find what she had been missing. So she begins her quest. In Rome, she indulges herself, gains nearly 2 stone. In India, she finds enlightenment through scrubbing temple floors. Finally, in Bali, a toothless medicine man reveals a new path to peace, leaving her ready to love again. Interesting, isn't it? For those who have not read it. Many of the people have read it and they have gone gaga about this particular book. And I will read it soon. At least before 2021 ends, I will definitely read this particular book. So how did you like today's recommendation of these 6 books? Have you read any of these 6 books? If yes, then do mention in the comment section. And what are the books on the theme of romance genre that you like the most? What are the books that you want me to read and talk about them in my next video? Do mention. I will see you soon in my next video. And do hit like and subscribe so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. Tata and goodbye.